Hello friends, welcome to Office Platforms. Santosh this side. Today we will see how we can create a customized progress bar apart from the traditional progress bar. Okay. So what I mean to say about what is a customized progress bar is that if you have seen my previous video, this is the extended video of the same progress bar, but we over here we are creating a customized one apart from the traditional one. The link for the same I will be sharing on the video, and the link for it you can also see it right now on your screen. Okay, over here we have a column which has the month names on each alternate rows, and our task is to delete the blank rows. Okay, so over here if I click over here, you can see this is the customized progress bar that we can create on our own apart from the traditional progress bar. Okay, it is now, see, over here we can see the information icon. Over here we can see the update, what is going on, what is the status of the progress, how much percentage completed. So over here you can see today almost 41% completed, and then it will reach out to 50%. Okay, let's see how we can get this done in the system. So let's start. We have the month names starting at row number 9, and every alternate row is a blank one, and we have to delete. Let's start. Create the VBA script for this. So, okay, so I have defined the variables I and then last row, and over here we have declared what is how the last row will be calculated. And now, since our first item starts at row number 9, we will start the code at row number 9. Okay, for I is equal to 9 to last row, run this script, and the script will be if cells, it is our column I, that is row number 9. Okay, 9 comma column C, that is column number 3, is equal to blank, then rows, which row? Row I, that is over here. Right now it is row number 9 dot delete. Else and T, and next I. Over here if you see, we have the code over here which says if row number 9 is blank, then delete row number 9, or else go to next row, that is row number 10. Okay, and then ends up. Let's see if this works or not. Okay, move out of the design window and see. Let's wait. Or see, over here we don't have any type of visualization that is showing what is the status of the function, or what is the status of the project and everything. So until then we have to wait. So now the code is completely executed, and we can see the blank rows are deleted. Okay, now let us create the customized message boxes that is needed for our work. Okay, and the first message box is definitely going to be the taskbar one that we will be creating. Okay, and then the complete message box. And before that, let's insert a shape, the one which I prefer. Okay, this is the standard message one, and then I can create a message box, and the fill will be something like in one, this one. Okay, and then I will insert a message box which will say data has been executed successfully. This is the post message box that will give us this is the normal message box. Okay, once the taskbar completes, like after the execution is completed, this message box will appear. Let us create this first. Okay, if you have not seen how to create these message boxes, I have created another separate video on this. The link should be appearing right now on your screen. Okay, and let's insert another one for everyone's benefit. I'm creating the same right now again. Okay, and now get this shapes present icon. Let's not touch this anything, and then I will say I for information, and format this one as center alignment and increase. Okay, now another message box, another shape over here. Okay, and the shape will be same in the same format, and give this the color as selected and write X. Okay, and center align it the way we did for icon and increase it, and now reformat this to the same thing over here, same thing 0.5. Now this message box is completely created. Create one more thing for the button which says OK. Let us move this a bit up, move this a bit up, and the shape same, and then align this like this one and save. Okay, and center align this, increase the font. Now group everything into one, and the group after the grouping this code, we will give this group save formats group, and we'll give this group the name as message box. Okay, and that's what box. Okay, it seems we left the okay button. Now we can group it again. Message box. And that's called box. Now let us make this message box operational. Oh, there's been spelling mistakes. Okay, and we can see we have given the name this as message box, the shape of the name message box. Now let us insert a button and see if this works properly. Okay, let us write the first code. Active sheet shapes range again underscore the name of the group message underscore box dot visible is equal to true. So this code will make the message box or the group visible, and let us create another code to make it invisible. Sub close message box. Okay, enter, and the same code let us replace the group with false. Okay, done. Let us assign this group. Let's go to assign this button and macro close message box. Okay, this one also assign macro close message box. Okay, done. Now let's see if it works. It goes, it comes. Okay, now let us create the progress bar. But before creating the progress bar, let us create some necessary calculations for it. So let us see what is the last row for this. That is 841. So the macro runs till row number 841. So let us go to sheet number 2. I always prefer row numbers and then that's it for this type of things. Okay. Over here, let me type 841, which is the denominator, 841, which will be the numerator, and I will calculate this divided by this. Okay, and that is 1. That is the what we can say is the 100%. Okay. Now, if it is 1, then 100%. If I say it as 10, it is 1%, right? If I say 100, it is 11%. So I want to make this a progress bar. In order to create a progress bar, what I will do is that I will write rept, the repeat function, and then I will write this the standing bars or the pipes symbol. Okay, and then this one I will write bracket start t numerator divided by numerator, okay, into 100. What did I say? You see the function, and then I will format this as playable. Okay, that is playable. Okay, now if I write it as 841, see this one is over here. Okay, we remember numerator is on G1 and denominator is on F1. Now let's go back to the calculation. Okay, and let us write a small calculation over here. Edit this calculation. Okay, now before that this workbook last row, and then I will write this work sheet sheet 2 dot cells row number 1 column number EF, that is for the 6, okay, dot value is equal to last row. So this will be our denominator, and then after this I will write on the next I, before next I, before next I want to capture the row number, the value of I. So it will be this workbook dot worksheets. Let's copy this one. Okay. And then I will write it as set. The numerator will be calculated over here. Okay, but the way, if the code is on row number 7, row number 9, row number 10, this will be up to, and this will be the one as per the calculations of the last row over here. Over here. Okay, let's go back to before. Now done. Now let us create the main important thing, that is the progress bar. Let us create the same shape again. Okay, similar shape, same one, and insert text box. In order to create the message that needs to be populated over here in the text box, we need to create a small calculation over here, okay, and the small adjustments, okay, on this formula. If error, okay, then it should be blank. So if I remove the denominator, it should be blank. And let us create the message box, okay, and the message box would be is equal to error round, and again it will be b1 divided by f1, comma 2 into 100, and it will be percentage, comma, and percentage. So it will calculate, it will do the same calculation that is done over here, and then I will add the percentage symbol and write processed. 100% processed. 100%. Let me put a space. 100%. Okay, 100% processed. It is I1. Let us assign this over here to I1 is equal to I1. Okay, let's okay, let us add it over here and give this the name as set the color as, it's not this one, this is not appealing. Okay, this one processed. Okay, let us do one more thing over here. Before that, again let us get the same insert and the text box, and let us write which wait first which be processed. Okay, and put it over here. So it is bold again, and then let us increase the font over here. Let us change this font and this color. Which one should we take? This one. Let us change this color over here. Save format, save, not outline, save fill. Right, let us take this as green and change the format to this one. Okay, and color this format. Let us leave it like this only. Okay, insert and the shapes, the round one. Okay, again the same thing that we will be prepared, that we have prepared. I, and then home, increase the font, center element, and done. Okay, now one more thing, we have to get this progress bar over here. Okay, and then is equal to whatever the color is over here, it will come over here. I hope now you are getting what I'm trying to do. Okay, let's align this. I think our progress bar is almost done. Let us group these things, everything into okay, one more thing. Let us not create any type of crossbars over here. Save, group, did it go? I will forget the comments one. Group. Okay. Now let us give the groups a name, that is progress bar. Progress underscore bar. Okay, this one. Okay, now you can see. Let us do the same thing again. Let us copy this. So copy. Let's check if the things are working properly or not. And copy this as progress underscore bar large visible, and it's in with fox. Let's see fox. Okay, move out. Design this one. This. Okay. Okay. Both of them are on the same spot. That is the root coming. Okay. It is working. As long as it's working, it is fine. But our intention is not to create this message box. Okay. Now let us move on to the actual thing. How to get this thing aligned. After over here on the next try, let us create. Before that, this box. Okay. We want this thing. Copy this from this section and right just above, so just below this box. So the moment the script runs, the progress bar message box should appear. Right, this is how the traditional message box works. And then once the message box is over, our work is to get these things. The message box will the progress bar will hide, okay, and visibility equal to false, and the message box will come up. Okay, so the code over here will be this worksheet last two comes up, progress bar comes up, the if function starts, it will go till the last row, and last row numerator and denominator captured, and then since the code is over, the progress bar will go off and the message box will come up. Okay, so over here let us remove this progress bar thing. Okay. Okay, before we execute the code, let us revisit the code again and see if there is anything that needs to be changed. Okay. Okay, so we just copied it, so it is wrong. It should be, since it is the numerator, it should be I. This, yeah. And let's see. Let's hope everything works fine. Great. You can see the message icon, the please wait request is being processed, this progress bar is being prepared. If you know, we have prepared this on sheet 2. After this process is over, I will tell you why I prepared over sheet 2. Okay, so it is 35% processed. If we have kept the progress bar, the calculation on sheet 1, it could be easily manipulated by anyone. So once this is over, I will hide it, bury it. I will do that sheet 2 should be very Excel, very hidden, and it will not be visible to anyone else. Okay, so that is the main purpose, and once this is over, I will do that again and I will showcase it to you. It is 76, 78, and almost 85%. So once it is 100%, this progress bar will go out and the message box will come up. Done. See, this has come up. Okay, let's click OK and go to Excel sheet 2. And in order to save these calculations and no one should harm it, let us go to the VBS page and click the view properties window, select sheet 2 where the data is, select Excel sheet very hidden, and see Excel sheet is very much hidden. And now let's see if the code is working. Okay, let me copy the data again. Control C, paste it over here and run. So this code is working properly. So with the information icon, this can be definitely customized. This message box, of course, this can be customized. The taskbar, sorry, the progress bar is completely customizable. Okay, now it is 27. If you go to 30% and then 35, 40. In case if any one of you have a better approach to handle these type of queries, or if you have another better experience, please let us know or please share with me. I would like to learn from you all. Okay, till then, thank you, take care.